at you today from Credit Wit, powered by Better Qualified. Now, we just talked about 35% of your credit score was based on what? Making late payments. This was a question by a user posted on the site. Real simple. That's what we're going to do. Answer questions, and we're going to do it in video so it sticks and settles in. And if you have any questions or think about it again, you don't remember because you read it, you can watch us talk about it. That's Credit Wit. Awesome. So 30% of your credit score is, big word, it's called utilization. Utilization means how much do you utilize? How much are you using compared to how much you have available? So let's do some simple math so it sinks in. $10,000 credit card, you're using $3,000. Utilization is 30%. Now you go up to $6,000. Utilization is 60%. Some of questions have come in and asked, and I've spoken to a bunch of people a lot of times, a lot of people within the industry, and they've always said it's 50%. No, 50%, 50%. I hear it all the time. It's not 50%. If it's above 30%, your credit score is going to get hurt, right? If it has to be improved, get it below 10%. And if you really got to get it improved, get it as low as possible, but always keep a little balance. Strangely enough, another credit tip, credit myth within the old system that you're picking up in the utilization section, if you want your score to go up, you got to keep a small balance. It shows you can manage your debt. Strangely enough, if you keep $10, it's better than zero. So that's tip 2 for the day. Back at you soon.